हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ चल मेरी गुड्डू। अगर आप नेचर लवर हैं और आप इंजॉय करते हैं कैंपिंग और एडवेंचर टूरिज्म, सो बिलीव मी यू आर गोना लव दिस वन। वेलकम टू देवभूमि फार्म्स एंड कॉटेजेस। मैक्लोडगंज से 10 किलोमीटर दूर धर्मशाला में ये कॉटेजेस हैं जहाँ पे आप अपनी फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ नेचर से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड कैन एंजॉय कंफर्ट एंड लग्जरी एट द सेम टाइम।
Hi guys, we are at the Devbhoomi Farms in Dharamshala. This is a beautiful setup of cottages run by a very passionate person, Mr. Samrid. So I'm going to show off you the property. Just see and plan to come here as soon as possible. We are here entering the reception area. So Samrid, how old is this property?
This is 3 years now.
Okay.
And we've got 6 cottages. So as we enter through the reception, on the right hand side is the bar. In the evenings you can enjoy some drinks and listen to some music. You can attach your phone. Sometimes we have live band, solo singers coming here.
Oh, that's wonderful. So guys, this is the bar. As you can see, a beautiful cottage setup again. This is where you can sit around, have a look at the nature. This is the view you are getting from here. Here you can be at your own, play your music, sit around, read or whatever. And this is the way that leads to cottages?
Yes.
Okay.
On the left hand side is the restaurant.
Okay. So this is the restaurant, and this area I can see is the bonfire.
And in the after the monsoon, we set up table for breakfast in the open area. So in the garden area, you can have breakfast, dinners in the evening.
So this is the restaurant, as you can see.
So this is only for the in-house guests, but we allow people on special request. We allow people to come and have dinner meals with us.
Okay. And this is where you put up your meals, like the breakfast included packages.
So we do
and
a la carte, and we do buffets set up when it is a bigger group. Otherwise, people can order from the menu, and it is home cooked food that we do.
Right.
We don't have any, previous food. We get fresh procurements and fresh vegetables, and we do it.
Right. So this way now leads to the cottages. They have 6 cottages, and they are these are concrete or what, mud cottages?
So these are semi-concrete. Inside you have fabric, insulated, air conditioned and heating, and we have washrooms with pressure water and hot water 24/7 with all modern amenities.
Wow. So Samrid, what is the temperature that normally we can see here?
See, in the peak summer time, the maximum temperature goes up to 30 degrees, and every evening it falls back to 18 to 19 degrees.
Oh wow.
So in daytime you would need some air conditioning in the room, so it is available. And in winters it becomes really cold, but as it is insulated, so heating is very effectful, and in the evening we can organize private bonfires for each and every guest.
Oh wow, that's nice.
We have facilities.
So this is the cottage we are going to see?
See one of the cottages.
Okay guys, so this is the cottage, as you can see. I'll show you from inside. Yeah, please. So this is a small sit around. You can be outside in your tent and you can still watch around the nature. You are in lush green environment here. You can see everything around. See how beautiful it is. And this is the inside. So you have a traditional tent setup with concrete, so there's protection from insects. This is protection from any alien thing, and you have an air conditioner here. What else about the amenities?
We provide free complimentary bottles of water every day. Tea, coffee maker setup is there.
Right.
And we've got reading lights as well. And we've got emergency light in every room. Fire safety is there in every cottage.
Nice, this is good. And this is the attached bathroom with every tent you get?
Yes, every cottage is with the attached bath.
Okay.
We have hot water 24/7. Every cottage is with a private geyser.
Okay. See guys, this is what you called luxury in the forest, you can say. So you can find everything here, 24 hours hot water running.
Yes.
Oh, that's wonderful. And everything is so clean. You can find a very safe and hygienic wash area, bathrooms, and everything you can see here is very perfect for any family who can visit here. So this is again the tent you can see. We are moving out. So guys, this is the area that belongs to the property and is a part of it. And I'll show you something which will excite you the most. As we climb down here, see this. There's this river flowing which you can see, and there's a direct access to this?
Direct access, this is a private bank.
Okay.
And we have natural rock through there. So nobody else can enter into this.
Right. So I'll just show you. I won't climb down though. So these are the stairs that will take you to the river bank, and I believe you can see the river there. So completely in the lap of the nature here at the Devbhoomi Farms, and this is well lit area. This all is lit up in
Yes,
them.
yes. We have got halogen lights in the night time. So we have got from all four sides halogen light, and the street light is on in the night time till morning.
Right.
And cameras are there.
Okay. So even the security is well taken off here. आपको यहाँ पे किसी भी चीज की कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आने वाली है. Proper security है, fenced है, and as Samrit said, there's no wildlife scare here.
But good bird life.
Good, no wildlife, कोई ऐसा डर नहीं है. लेकिन आप उल्टा यहाँ पे मॉर्निंग में और इवनिंग्स में बर्ड्स, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वेराइटीज के बर्ड्स होंगे जो आप जिनको आप शूट भी कर सकते हैं और बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं इस नेचर इस कैंप को. तो गाइस, प्लान योर विजिट हियर एज सून एज पॉसिबल. This should be a great experience for you, and of course, needless to say, you can book these through Wonder Earth Holidays. I'm just a call away from you. Thank you so much. We'll catch you soon again with the next vlog. Thank you.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.